Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to clear the cache in the Google Chrome browser on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Cache memory can take up a lot of space and can cause your browser to slow down. Follow my steps to free up memory and improve your phone's performance. Let's get started. First, open the settings. When you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the Apps option, then tap it. In this section, tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Chrome, and then tap on the app. When you get to this part, scroll down a bit, find the storage option, and tap it. Finally, in the bottom right corner, you'll see the Clear Cache option. Just tap it and that's it. Now your browser should run faster and more efficiently. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.